Get a U-Haul.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Mike. First of all, if you are subscribed, thank you very much. If you are not, please think about doing it. Please consider it. Watch some of my other videos. Maybe subscribe. Today, we're going to jump in a 944 and we are going for a road trip to DUBS at the Gap. It's up in Rocky Gap, Maryland. So, car's been pretty good for the last couple of days. We're going to take it on a little road trip and see how it goes. So, let's get the car pulled out of the garage and get heading out.
We are currently cruising at a steady pace of 2.3 miles per hour in the Porsche 944 Eco Hybrid.
I should get out and push you and take a video.
I was trying to see how close I could get to you. Update. Promised you carnage. I delivered. You can see right there, that little guy has caused big problems. It is, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's spewing all over the place. So I've got to somehow mend that. So wish me luck. And let's see if we can cut this apart. I think it's going to be too, I might be able to shove it up on there further. I might be able to. We'll try. But I've got some stuff from AutoZone. I borrowed Lee's truck back there with AutoZone, so try to get this back together. Frankenstein fix from last night, and it is dripping right here, right there. See it? Mm-hmm. It's pouring out.
Still leaking?
Yep, pouring out.
Oh, really?
Can I have a situation report, Dave?
It's bud.
You heard it here, straight from Dave.
It's
Get a U-Haul.
Yeah. Oh,
Hmm.
Look at that TTRS.
All right.
Or is that a TTS?
Yeah, no, there's an RS somewhere.
There's a line of cars leaving.
I think that's an RS.
Yeah.
Those things are so badass.
Mine won't be one of those, most likely. It's probably gonna make it to like right up there, and then it's gonna be broken again because it's a 944 and it's problematic. This is a status update. Yeah, little status update. It's got a little red light blinking. It's status update. Status. Sit rep. So walk on over here. Show you what I've done. I'm cussing this thing. Hold on. All right, so pretty and always so broken. So that is a clamp that I just happen to have because the other one let loose. I've had to Frankenstein this together and it was pouring out coolant just sitting here. So far it seems like it's not. And there's the puddle. So
Look up your skirt.
And there's Lee. Lee said he's gonna look up my skirt. That's Lee. This is a car. You've seen it. I've showed you. Hi, Lee.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm gonna make you talk to the camera awkwardly. Some people are relaxing.
That's so funny.
Can I have a Butts Coke? Thank you. It's a Butts Coke. Oh, where'd you say my hand sanitizer is? Glove box. I'm
Butt for?
the buffer. What's a buffer? Yeah, strut it out. Strut it out. Well, we've once again mended the 944 as it spit out more coolant at the show. Somehow, amazingly, which is awesome, it did take Best Porsche, which there were some wonderful cars there, so I'm really crazy stoked about that. I'm not stoked about the drive home. We'll see if it can hold itself together a little bit longer. It's not looking great, but luckily I have the KOs. They're going to be our chase vehicle as well, so they can maybe bail us out if we end up having to tow this thing home. So, but for now, we're going full send. Trying to make it back without popping another coolant hose. It's kind of weird. So far we're about, like, I don't know, 20 miles in maybe. At least it's pretty. So if we're gonna break down, at least we're gonna break down somewhere pretty. Morning, welcome, and I need some freaking coffee. Not 500. Anyway, we're going to. I didn't think this through. I didn't think what I was going to say through. I'm really tired. I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy, Daddy. Good morning. I don't know why I keep doing that. Want you? Well, it sucks because I really was hoping you would have won.
Game off. Game off. Game off. Game off. So this cruise is called the Clutch Killer 3000. It's been 3 years, 2 days, 14 hours. Please send help. Rations. I'm starving. I'm so cold. I'm so cold.